Hello everyone, welcome to the BOSJOB YouTube channel. The year 2026 has arrived. BOSJOB has launched a new series of CD stud welders. Unlike our classic CD-600 and CD-800 models, which use traditional transformers to charge electrolytic capacitors, the new CD-6 and CD-8 feature a switching power supply. This new design has greatly reduced the size and weight of the charging circuit, cutting it down from over 20 kilograms. Even smaller and lighter, it boasts an ultra-high duty cycle. At normal room temperature, it can weld studs continuously at a 100% duty cycle without triggering overheat protection. It's lighter, more compact, and has higher capacitance than the previous models. You get more for the same price. A high-quality machine deserves a good torch. We have launched a new torch specifically designed for corners, a compact torch with no dials or knobs, for adjusting spring pressure anywhere on the torch. We have conducted numerous tests, and this torch can easily weld both steel and aluminum studs on the same unit with the same spring tension. Its name comes from its unique body structure, which allows the torch's chuck to weld in inner corners and on bent edges. This torch will be available in two versions, one with a ground cable and one without. The wire-free torch is as lightweight as possible for industrial applications. The version with a ground cable saves you from having to grind grounding points, making it perfect for aluminum car body repair. Follow BOSJOB for ongoing research and innovation. See you next time. Bye-bye.